Hi, Amir. My name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. I'm sure you're busy, so I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either. So I'm making this video to give you some information. That way you can see um, how you can scale your business. And if you decide that I have a lot to offer you and your company, feel free to reach out. We can schedule a short phone call to see if I can actually help your business. Okay, so the things that we are going to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. So I noticed that you do not have a website, but you do have a Facebook page. So in this video, I'm going to show you um, why a website is important and how much value it can bring you and your company. So you have the website, and it looks like you're getting your leads from Home Advisor, which is Angie's List as well. They merged and became one. Okay. So the first thing we're going to talk about is citations. It is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can get these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. The more citations you have, the better. And you don't want to stop at how many citations Overland Park has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or 100 to really dominate them in the GMB. 95% of the time, people are going to Google search HVAC services in Overland Park. The first thing that pops up are the Google guaranteed ads. These are harder to get because of the auditing process, but um, it really narrows down all of the spammy clicks, and it increases the trust that your clients or prospects already have for your company. So you don't have as many clicks, but the clicks that you do get, they are easier to convert because you have that green check mark next to your website. Next is the GMB. 30% of your business should come from this area. And then we have the organic listings. The remaining 70% should be coming from this. Um, so Websites are so important because not only does it represent your company, it brings trust to your customers whenever they understand that you are a professional and you will bring professional services um, to whatever HVAC they're doing. Another really important part of a website is that the website can bring you your own leads. So if you're paying 30 or $40 for one lead, let's say you're doing 30 leads a month, that's over $1,000 that you're paying Angie's List for Angie's List to sell that one same lead to two or three other HVAC contractors, and then you have to fight for that lead. Your website will bring you your own leads, and as long as you can convert them, there's no fighting for it. So I don't know how much that would mean to you, but those are very, very valuable to just have leads for your business coming in, and not having to pay Angie's List so that you can fight for whatever customers you have. The next thing we're going to talk about is content. If and when you get a website, content is everything you see on the page, the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. So what Google does is 24/7, they have these web crawling bots, and they collect all this information from your website, every single website on the internet, and they use that information to determine where to rank you on the search engine result page. So all three of the top competitors, I'm going based off the organic listings and not the GBP. But all three of these are back pages. So there's the home page, and then way in the back corner of their website is their Overland Park page. So all of these are back pages. Um, the next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. So that is a popularity contest on Facebook. You can think of it as a voting system. Um, the Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want higher quality and higher power backlinks, and they have to be relevant to the services that you provide. So you don't want to go off to um, a mulch contractor and have them give a reference to your website because HVAC has nothing to do with mulch. Um, so this back page has a high power rating and a low trust rating because all of their effort has gone into the homepage, and because of all that work, they didn't really have to do much for the back pages. Because of the website and the backlinks, they are getting 131 people on this back page each month. 30% of that is becoming actual leads. Okay, here is Neil Harris. They popped up to the top recently. They have a good amount of information. Um, Looks like they're not showing any keywords or any traffic on this back page. But let's mark it out here. Their homepage is getting, sorry, almost 2,000 people each month. So all of this is from their website and their GMB. They may be paying Angie's List or Home Advisor for some leads, but the majority they are getting from their website. They own the leads that they are getting because of their website. And they're not having to fight anyone for them. They just call them, convert it, and then that's it. They don't have to compete for the lead. Okay, here is AB May. They are a very big HVAC company as well. They have a lot of good information up there. And again, this is just a back page. All of the real traffic is on their homepage. So just on the back page, they're getting 47 people on their website each month. Okay, so just to summarize, that was content, citations, and backlinks. If you want to hear more about what I have to offer your company, please feel free to reach out. We can schedule a short phone call and see if I can help you out. Thanks, Amir. Have a great day.